Hey guys, this is Stephanie and this is going to be a makeup tutorial on how to get this look, this bronze eye, kind of like a cat eye look. And so if you guys want to know how I did this look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so first off we're gonna start by using my Naked 2 palette by Urban Decay. This is how I got these colors. I only use this palette. So first off I'm gonna start by putting on some primer. Oh my god. I'm gonna put it all the way up to my brow bone because I'm gonna put some light color up there. I'm gonna put it on the bottom as well. Okay. So next, after I'm done putting my primer on, I'm going to be using the palette, and I'm gonna be using another brush. I'm not gonna use the brush that comes inside the palette because it's kind of small. So I'm gonna start off by using the color that comes inside the palette. It's half baked. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to get the best lighting that I have in my house, so hope you guys can see. I'm gonna start off by putting it on my lid, the bottom. Okay. After we got that on my lid, we're going to use the one called Snake Bite. It's this one right here. I'm going to be putting that on the top. I'm going to blend that in. Okay. So next, I'm going to be using the one that says Booty Call. Just to see that. And I'm going to try using this. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay brush that comes in, just to do that on the top. Kind of use my finger like to blend it. So let's see. So next I'm going to be, I'm pretty much done with the eyeshadow. Next I'm just going to be putting on my eyeliner. You could put any one you want. I'm going to be using my L'Oreal, it's liquid eyeliner. Okay, so my eyeliner on the bottom. I'm going to put on my waterline. On the bottom, I'm going to put on my waterline. I'm going So I put that on the bottom. And now I'm going to use my brush, my Naked 2 palette brush. And I'm going to take this same eyeshadow I use on my lid. I'm going to take it half baked and put it on the bottom. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to take my lash curler. Okay. Okay, so now for my lipstick, I'm going to be using my Ulta lip liner. Just because before I put on my lipstick, I'm going to be moisturizing my lips with my EOS. Okay. And now I'm going to be using my Maybelline lipstick, which I love. It's 525 in the color Peachy Scene. It's this color. Okay. And just to give it a little shine, I'm going to be using my Ulta lip gloss. So that finishes the look. And this is my bronze eye tutorial / cat eye. So I want to thank you guys for watching once again, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.